Welcome back, guys, to Chavez Custom Detailing. This is me, Mario, again. Today we're going to talk about how to effectively clean your wheels when you're detailing your car. So when you're basically cleaning your wheels, I recommend a good wheel cleaner, and here are a couple that I use on the daily. So the first one we're going to talk about is the Eagle One Triple Clean and Foam. I love this stuff because it's readily available at your local Walmart. It costs around $5 to $6 depending on when you get it and what deal you're looking at. So the reason why I like to use this is because the lubricity and the cleaning power is awesome, and it's great at cleaning dirty wheels. So this is one that I recommend for you guys to go and check out. Now, the aggressive level on using this is okay. Let's say you have a wheel that is very neglected. It will clean, but it would also not affect the finish of your wheel. So this is the one that I recommend you guys to check out because this is awesome. Now, when we're talking about really grungy wheels and you really need to step it up a bit, the next thing I choose is the Meguiar's wheel brightener right here. This stuff is effective and very good at cleaning. The reason why I like this as well is because it's an acid-based wheel cleaner, and you can easily dilute this 4 to 1. Again, 4 to 1 means 4 parts water to 1 parts cleaner. Basically that means you're using less cleaner, more water, and this is good to have around your house. So this is the other one that I use. This is the Meguiar's wheel brightener. Now, when I need to step it up and I need the sledgehammer to clean very extremely dirty wheels, I go ahead and use this product right here called Superior Wire and Wheel Cleaner. This stuff is awesome. This stuff is a acidic based cleaner. You only going to use this cleaner when you really need to. If it's really caked on brake dust and you have to use this, I recommend this. Now, when using this, I recommend using it at a 1-to-1 dilution ratio, which means half and half, 50% chemical, 50% water. The reason being is this stuff is really aggressive and you really want to be careful when using this stuff. Also, when you're using this, you got to use gloves and you got to use a respirator, because if you don't, this stuff can tear you up and it's pretty gruesome. So again, for this demo, I'm going to use this guy right here, this tire or this wheel from this Town and Country. As you can see, it's kind of hammered. I will like to use this, but what wheel cleaner would you recommend? You will ask. I would recommend either or, but for this purpose, I will use the wire and wheel cleaner for this, and I'm going to show you in action how effective this stuff is and how awesome this stuff is. But I recommend you guys using gloves and a respirator because this stuff is pretty gnarly. So I'm going to go ahead and shut up, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this. So let me gear up, respirator, gloves, and I'm going to go to town with this. This stuff is pretty acidic again. So use this back and forth. 1-to-1 dilution ratio. Be generous with it. I'm going to go ahead and let you see, zoom in, that this stuff right here is already eating through the brake dust and it's creating a good cleaning power. Now inside this bucket I have a wheel mitt and I have a brush with regular car soap. I'm going to get the mint and the car soap, get my mint, agitate the cleaner. Make sure I hit everything in here as much as possible as I can. Go to town. If I need more soap, I'm going to hit it with more soap. If I need to, get a brush, hit the lug nuts, hit the area right here where I think I didn't get. Go around it. There you go. Now you don't want this stuff sitting around for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it down. So I'm gonna hit it with some water. And voila. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let you zoom in. And I'm gonna show you how effective this was. As you can see, practically spotless. And that's why I love this cleaner. This is Superior Wire and Wheel Cleaner. Amazing stuff, guys. Very amazing stuff. I recommend this, but make sure to understand, if you have a hammered wheel, excuse me, and it's very, very caked on brake dust, and you need something aggressive, I will use this. But if you're maintaining your wheels day by day, then I'll recommend this product right here. Now I'll do some more reviews on these products later on in the future. So hopefully you'll understand that these products right here are the ones that I like. And day by day, I recommend these products. So hopefully I showed you guys something important. And until the next episode, I will see you then. So later, guys.